Hey there, reggae lovers. It is your host, G. Cole, and I'm coming to you with some amazing Reggae Month fun facts. This segment is brought to you by our amazing sponsors, Florida Power and Light, Grace Foods, Island Space Caribbean Museum, and Jamaicans.com. Now let's get into these fun facts. Let's go. Have you been on TikTok in the last year, from the summer till now? One of the biggest things on TikTok is Drift by dancehall superstar Teejay, right? The amazing thing about the song is that Teejay revealed in an interview that the song was written in less than an hour, right? And this happens a lot of time with massive hits. When the mood is right, the music is right, the vibe is right, the energy is right, it doesn't take too long for a hit to come out, right? And the song itself was produced by producers Panda, DJ Mac, and of course Teejay himself, Top Braff Entertainment. And it became a summer anthem. Right, an amazing anthem that right now is still one of the videos that amassed the most views on TikTok. People all across the world doing the dance Drift, right? Believe it or not, the dance itself was created before the song. So the dance itself was created before the song was written, according to Teejay, right? And now a simple song, a simple dance is one of the biggest things in the world, taking the music industry by storm. Congratulations to Teejay. And his album right now is charting on Billboard right about now. So big up to Teejay. Song Drift has propelled not only him, but his album all the way to the top. All right, heights of success. And from a dance that, he wasn't even taken seriously when he got the rhythm, he said, when he got the instrumentation, he wasn't even taking it seriously. And in less than an hour, they created a masterpiece that would become one of the biggest summer anthems dancehall has seen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Drift, Teejay, another one. And there you have it. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's mind-blowing reggae facts, courtesy of Florida Power and Light, Grace Foods, Island Space Caribbean Museum, and the Jamaicans.com. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and also, please hit that subscribe, hit that like, hit that share. All right? Thank you.